about to arrest you right now.
Let me go.
Back up. Everybody back up. Ma'am, walk out. Is she trespass?
Yes.
Tell her she's trespass.
From now on, you will be trespassing.
You're trespassing. Ma'am, you are trespassing. Leave. Let's go. Walk. Walk. Ma'am, you're going to go to jail.
Viewer advisory. This video contains body camera footage showing use of force and physical restraint. While presented for educational analysis, viewer discretion is advised.
Police! Right here, stop.
What?
Okay, we're leaving. We're leaving. We're leaving. We are leaving.
Stop.
We are leaving. You're going to calm down. No,
I
ma'am.
need her to calm down.
I need her to calm down, but she's coming. She's
Why
leaving.
did she hit me first?
I will deal with her as well.
I said hello first.
Okay? But I need you to walk away. That's what I need you to do. Let's go.
No, I'm not going to walk away
No,
first.
you're going to come with me or you're going to go to jail. You're either going to walk off the property or you're going to jail. No, she's leaving.
I am not the aggressor.
Okay.
Take her home.
Ma'am, we're going to walk outside. It's that simple before you go to jail.
Let me go.
Just walk.
Take her home.
Let's go. What's up? Ma'am, I'm about to arrest you right now.
Let me go.
Back up. Everybody back up. Ma'am, walk out. Is she trespass?
Yes.
Tell her she's trespass.
From now on, you will be trespassing.
You're trespassing. Ma'am, you are trespassing. Leave. Let's go. Walk. Walk. Ma'am, you're going to go to jail.
Ow!
Ma'am, stop.
Let me go.
Stop.
Let me go.
Stop.
Let me go. I didn't hit nobody first.
On August 6th, 2022, officers at the Postcard Inn responded to a disturbance on private property. What followed raises questions about Florida trespass law, proportional use of force, and the constitutional duty to protect persons in custody. Under Florida statutes, Section 810.09, any person who remains on private property after being ordered to leave by law enforcement commits a first-degree misdemeanor. The statute does not require the subject to agree with the order. It does not require a reason to be given. The legal obligation to depart is absolute upon notification. The subject's refusal, "I'm not going to walk away," had no legal basis. This is not a public forum. Private property trespass orders are enforceable regardless of the subject's disagreement. Once the subject refused to comply, probable cause for arrest was established. Florida statutes, Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence, was triggered the moment she declined to submit to arrest. The physical resistance during handcuffing potentially escalated that charge to Section 843.01, resisting with violence, a third-degree felony, carrying up to 5 years imprisonment.
60447 1018, please. Back up! Ma'am, you're done. You're done. Put your hands behind your back. Ma'am, stop! Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Ma'am, you're going to get tased. Mike 60447, keep them coming, please. We're in the back of PCI. Put your hands behind your back! Ma'am, you're gonna get tased! Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back now! Hands behind your back! Stop resisting! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Now! Thank you! Hands behind your back! 1015 her, please. Let's go, stand up. Stand up. Somebody have a shirt or something, please. Fix her top, please. Face that way. 60447, we got 2 1015. We use probably about 2 more, but we can 10 at the channel.
No, I say she didn't do that. But bitch, you don't say welcome to Florida. You don't say welcome to Florida.
We have her. Back up! The fuck are you walking up for? Back up! Hey, anybody who approaches needs to go. I don't care. Let's take it to his car. Thank you. Let's go. Oh, you decided to resist us.
Everybody has to like that. Had nothing to do with me. That had nothing to do with me. So that had to do with me.
Ma'am, keep walking, ma'am.
Regarding the force applied during the arrest, the Supreme Court, in Graham versus Connor, established that reasonableness must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with the benefit of hindsight. 3 factors govern this analysis: the severity of the crime at issue, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether the subject was actively resisting arrest. Here, all 3 factors supported escalation. The trespass offense, while a misdemeanor, was compounded by active physical resistance. The taser warning, issued but not deployed, reflects measured escalation consistent with the use of force continuum. Force that would be excessive against a compliant subject may be objectively reasonable against one who is actively resisting. That distinction is what separates lawful arrest from unlawful force. The more significant legal issue arises after the subject was secured in handcuffs. She alleged, on camera, that a third party struck her while she was on her hands and knees in restraints, and that officers allowed it to happen. Under the 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause, the government has an affirmative duty to protect individuals in its custody from harm by third parties. This principle was reinforced in Kingsley v. Hendrickson in 2015, which applied an objective reasonableness standard to pretrial detainee force claims. The officer's on-camera acknowledgement, "I'll review my body camera footage and document it if captured," constitutes a formal commitment to investigate. That commitment is not discretionary. It is required. Failure to follow through would constitute a due process violation, independent of the arrest itself. Whether that review was conducted and documented remains unknown at the time of this analysis.
I need you to sit in the car and relax, okay? It's over. It's over now, okay?
But I didn't
Sit down in the car, put your feet in the car. Ma'am, put your feet in the car.
Did I move?
Thank you. No, you didn't move, and that's why you went to jail. Holy shit.
Look at me.
Ma'am.
Did she not?
I did not see that.
Oh, really?
But the body cam
you
footage
stupid
was
pie ass,
in here.
white asshole.
Okay.
I bet you don't. That's fucked up. Call my lawyer. Call my lawyer. Call my lawyer. Then I need to touch me.
Ma'am, please. You're gonna whack me. Okay. I need you to step out for me. Okay.
Trying my life.
Can you get her to come out if she's not?
Come on. Don't touch me either. Don't touch.
You're going.
Don't touch me either. Don't touch me either. You trying my life, bro. You know damn well I was in handcuffs when that bitch hit me.
Can you step out of the car?
I don't give a fuck. You want to fight?
Do you want to stay in the
car?
car?
Do you want to fight?
Do you want to threaten a police officer and get another charge?
Man, you're gonna get another
felony. You can get another
bitch.
felony.
I don't give a fuck.
God, that's good for
Don't
you.
touch me if you don't feel like you need to touch me.
I need you to step out, okay, ma'am?
Don't touch me if you feel like you need to touch me. You know damn well that I was on my fucking hands and knees when that bitch hit me.
She won't tell me, so she's going.
How am I supposed to know that was her fucking boyfriend? How am I supposed to know? How am I supposed to know that was her fucking boyfriend? How am I supposed to know? When you know damn well when that bitch hit me, I was on my fucking hands and knees in handcuffs. That's not even fucking right, bro. I have a different philosophy. I don't care. I don't care. I'll try behind. Wait, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I bet it is. Pull my fucking hand. Don't fucking touch me. I didn't know that was a fucking boyfriend. You stupid bitch. I'm Mexican. I have a different philosophy. Nobody touches me without dying. You know that? Do you know that? Do you know that? I don't play like that. I don't play like that. Just to know you reaped that. Just to know you reaped that shit. Just to know you reaped that shit. And on my hands and knees, you let that bitch touch me, and you let her take me to jail. Just to let you know, you let me on my fucking hands and knees. That hoe touch me. I don't give a fuck. You fucking stupid bitches.
Ma'am, please
I don't
put your
give a
foot down,
fuck.
okay?
You don't pray.
Please
you
put
don't
your
touch.
foot down, ma'am.
You don't play with me like that.
Please put your
it's
foot
not
down.
fair. You know how strong I am when it's not right. You know how strong I am when it's not right. You know how strong I am when it's not right. You know how strong I am when
My other
it's
one's in
not
my
right.
old cruiser, so.
It's not fair.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, I'm
Great
not
tattoo.
sorry. He lived life.
Alright.
Why would I be sorry? You're sorry. That's how you interpret life. That's how you interpret life. That's how you interpret life. When people leave, they don't leave sorry and they don't leave sad. If they're gone, they're dead.
She's getting another bad legal for
It's
kicking
not
me in the
fair.
face, kicked you in the
It's
face.
not
Oh,
fair.
she kicked you straight in the face.
She already has one.
Let you know. You know who you're hurting? You know who you're hurting? No, not God. Your sister. More than God, your sister. Because I didn't do nothing. Because I didn't do nothing. Yeah, you know what you look like? It's a bug.
Put your glasses right.
You good? Everything on you?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. Just nonsense. Daily nonsense. I'm gonna start the Viper.
She's getting booked in at John Doe.
Jane
Jane
Doe.
Doe.
She won't give us her name.
I wasn't even upset
Okay.
because I was like, damn, bitch, I'm working too.
Okay.
And then once she hit me again, I was already handcuffed.
Okay.
And then
Do you remember
me and you
having a
hit on the floor.
conversation with me?
Yes, you told me to calm down, and I said yes. And when I hit the scratch with you, do you remember? Do you remember? With me and you, I was like, okay, I'm gonna work, but not relax. You're trying to relax me. I'm not stupid either.
I know you're not, but you were.
I was upset.
You were hyped. You were like,
yes, I was.
you were like, fuck you. I'm not leaving. I'm not doing anything.
Because she hit me in my face.
I know, but listen. Imagine this, right? Imagine if me and you walked out.
I'm
Okay.
not even mad at you, but
I
I'm mad
appreciate
that you let her hit me and I was with you.
So here's the deal, though, right? Okay. If you would have calmed down and just said, fuck it, let me walk out here,
Doesn't make
and I
somebody
would have
whack
talked
you.
to you. Listen, and then I go, what happened? You told me that girl right there punched me in my shit. I would have walked up there, but you were
But you were mad because I didn't chill. I didn't chill. I didn't chill because I was very upset.
So here's the deal, okay?
He's a nice guy.
He is. I know
Dave,
he is.
it's water under the bridge at this point, okay?
I don't even care.
All right. So
I was kind
we're
of.
gonna get you up there so you can get out of the handcuffs, sober up, and go from there. Your girl, the white girl with the blue top,
Yes, sir.
she already said give her a call when you get there. She'll post bond for you to get you out, okay? All right.
I'm sorry.
I accept your apology.
Honestly,
Okay.
officer,
He's a nice
just
guy.
stop.
You need to treat him very
I just
well.
want to say that honestly, I was more upset because she hit me while I was in handcuffs.
Okay. All right, and I'll make sure that I review my body camera footage and make sure if I capture that, I'll document it in my
How am I
report.
supposed to know to cover boyfriend? How am
I agree.
supposed to know?
All right. So we'll get you up there. You understand though that you're trespassed from Postcard Inn. You can't come back. If you come back, you will go to jail. Okay. All right. All right, Alexandria. Sorry. All right, we got her social, so I'll get the shell in there. Perfect. She's in there. Does she have any other vipers? Because I heard she got a Dewey.
Grading the officers B-. The trespass order was legally sound. Force escalation followed protocol. Backup was called. Radio codes were correct. The taser was warned but not deployed proportionate. However, the unresolved allegation of third-party battery in custody acknowledged, but not confirmed as documented, prevents a higher grade. Constitutional obligations do not end when the handcuffs close. Grading the subject D. She refused a lawful trespass order with no legal basis. She physically resisted a lawful arrest, extending the force encounter. She made explicit threats against officers after being secured. creating additional charge exposure that officers chose not to pursue. Her claim of being struck while in custody is a legitimate grievance, and she correctly identified the remedy, body camera review. But that does not offset a sequence of decisions that had no legal defense at any stage. Key lessons from this incident. For law enforcement, a lawful arrest does not suspend the duty of care. Once a subject is in custody, constitutional protections do not pause. Third-party threats must be documented with the same rigor as officer use of force. For the public, a trespass order, even one you believe is unjust, must be complied with immediately. The appropriate remedy is a civil claim or complaint after the fact, not refusal in the moment. Resistance transforms a misdemeanor into a felony. The subject knew her rights. She invoked body camera review. She identified the right process. That awareness, exercised 30 seconds earlier, would have changed the outcome entirely. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.